Replacing your front or entry doors is one of the most impactful home improvements you can make. In Fort Worth, where weather patterns vary from intense summer heat to occasional winter chills, choosing the right door material is key to enhancing curb appeal, increasing energy efficiency, and boosting security. Whether you live in a modern townhouse in the cultural district or a classic ranch-style home near TCU, selecting the ideal material for your door replacement can make a big difference. Here's a breakdown of the best materials for door replacement in Fort Worth homes, focusing on performance, aesthetics, and value. Fiberglass doors. A top performer for Texas weather. Fiberglass doors are extremely popular among Fort Worth homeowners, and for good reason. They're engineered to resist warping, cracking, or rotting, even in the face of harsh sunlight or heavy storms. Benefits. Energy efficiency. Most fiberglass doors come with a foam core, providing excellent insulation. This helps keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, reducing your energy bills. Durability. Fiberglass stands up well to dents, scratches, and moisture, making it a long-lasting choice. Versatile design. Fiberglass doors can mimic the rich look of wood without the maintenance. They're available in various finishes and can be painted or stained. Ideal for homeowners looking for low-maintenance elegance with excellent thermal protection. Steel doors. Strong security with modern style. If home security is a top priority, steel doors are an excellent option. They're built for strength and can withstand significant force, making them a favorite for both front and back entry points. Benefits. High security. Steel doors are harder to break or kick in, offering peace of mind for families. Cost-effective. These are often less expensive than wood or fiberglass, yet still offer great insulation. Low maintenance. With a baked-on polyester finish, many steel doors resist rust and require little upkeep. Ideal for budget-conscious homeowners prioritizing security and durability. Wood doors. Timeless beauty and custom appeal. Wood doors remain a classic choice, especially in historic Fort Worth neighborhoods or luxury homes that emphasize architectural character. They offer unmatched natural beauty and can be fully customized to suit your taste. Benefits. Premium look. The aesthetic appeal of real wood is hard to beat. Oak, mahogany, and walnut are popular for their rich textures and tones. Customizable. Wood is easy to modify, which makes it ideal for unique shapes, sizes, or artistic carvings. Warm insulation. When paired with the right weather stripping, wood doors provide good insulation. Considerations. Wood requires more maintenance in Fort Worth's variable weather. Regular sealing or staining is essential to prevent swelling, cracking, or fading. Ideal for homeowners seeking a luxurious, custom appearance and willing to invest in routine maintenance. Glass doors, full or partial. Bright, contemporary options. Glass doors are increasingly popular in modern Fort Worth homes, especially those with patios or beautiful backyard views. Whether you choose full glass doors or ones with decorative inserts, these bring in natural light and expand your visual space. Benefits. Natural light. Brightens your interior, which can improve mood and reduce electricity use. Aesthetic versatility. Decorative glass options, frosted, etched, stained, allow for privacy without sacrificing style. Energy-saving options. Many glass doors now feature low emissivity, low E coatings and insulating gas between panes. Ideal for homeowners who value aesthetics and want to create a light, open entryway. Making the right choice for your Fort Worth home. When choosing a door material, consider your home's style, your personal priorities, like energy efficiency or security, and Fort Worth's climate. A steel door may suit a rental property near downtown, while a richly stained wood door might complement a traditional home in Arlington Heights. Most importantly, invest in professional installation. Even the best door won't perform well if it's improperly fitted. A tight seal and precise alignment are essential for energy savings and long-term durability. Your home's entrance sets the tone. Make sure it's built to impress and protect. With the right door material, you can enhance your Fort Worth home's value, comfort, and curb appeal for years to come.